Good morning. When you give a preacher a microphone, it can get a little tricky, but I promise I won't give a full additional sermon. So. Greetings from Peace United Church of Christ in Kansas in the United States.
United Church
I'm here this week, 10 days, with the World Communion of Reformed Churches.
World Communion Reformed Churches.
We are here from all over the world, about 600 of us. Our gathering verse or verses for this 2 weeks comes from Hebrews chapter 12, verses 1 and 2. And based on what David translated for me of the sermon, it seems to fit. Therefore, since we are surrounded by so great a cloud of witnesses, let us also lay aside every weight and the sin that clings so closely. And let us run with perseverance the race that is set before us. Looking to Jesus, the pioneer and perfecter of faith, who for the sake of the joy that was set before him endured the cross, disregarding its shame, and has taken his seat at the right hand of the throne of God. Thank you for persevering in your witness so that we might persevere in our witness together. May God bless your ministries and continue to bless you in our lives together as Christians.